Hello, beautiful people. We are here because I have been teaching Malachi how to do surveys, to make money as side hustles, and he's old enough now to get a job. So, with his diabetes and different things, I have been teaching him. Wait, wait. Let me finish the introduction. Telling the people, I have been teaching him how to do different things as far as online and how to make a profit doing some small side hustles with surveys and different things. So let's see. We're gonna see it's addressed to Malachi. Put it down, and you already know to cover the address, of course. Don't show our address. Turn your letter around, but then yeah, put this like this. As you guys can see, it don't matter if you guys know his name. It is for Malachi Edwards. And we're gonna let him open it up. Okay, open it up. Let's see what you got. Don't tear, don't tear it, but open your envelope. Open it all the way so you won't tear what's on the inside. Finish opening the envelope. You ain't got to do. Oh, you try not to show the address. Oh, okay. But yeah, just do this. Yeah, just pull it from this way like that to open it. And then take what's in there out. Let's see what's in there. And you look at it first, and if it got the address on it, just put the other envelope on top. As you can see, guys, I got a whole thing of mail here. Because I have not been down here to my house down here. And I have got a whole bed full of mail. Okay, can you get it out? Do it got the address on it? Our address on it? Do it got our address on it? Or just theirs? Yours ain't up there? Our address ain't up there? Huh? Okay, as you guys can see, Malachi got a check for paid to Malachi Everett for 50 US dollars. So this is me teaching him. Oh God, my phone. Of me teaching him how to do surveys and stuff to get money. So guys, if you got young ones that's starting out and old enough now to drive and work, you know, you got to start with like this generational wealth thing and show them business and how to survive without you. Because one day you may not be here if we leave before them. So this is what I'm doing. So that's $50 he's going to put in his account. And he also has another check coming as well, too. So I'm teaching him how to do surveys. All right, guys. Until the next one.